Hey guys, Jared down here with Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Used and Rig Ready Approves. And today we're going to talk a little bit about, is buying a diesel the good buy for a low kilometer driver, guys? So many people assume that when you're buying a truck that a diesel is the better option to go with. But when you're a low kilometer per year driver, that can actually work against you. So modern diesels, they work off DEF systems and emissions, which means that these trucks need time to heat up to properly to actually clean themselves. So if you're only putting on, 5 to 20 kilometers per trip, they might not be the right buy for you. So when you're mainly looking at this thing is when you're looking at those is that can lead to clogged filters. It can lead to more regens and more problems with your service down the road, right? When these trucks aren't getting that heat that they need. So if you're not putting on more than 20 to 25,000 kilometers plus a year, guys, then that can actually be hard to justify, as diesels are more upfront, they have higher maintenance costs, and when you're looking at those fuel savings, those pay you back more as time goes on, as you put more kilometers on. So when you're basically looking at the bottom line of things, guys, is a diesel is a great buy, but they're purpose built. So towing, long trips, those heavy workloads, that's what a diesel is built for. As opposed to a gas engine, guys, that might be a little bit of a better buy for you, as they heat up faster, they have lower maintenance costs, they're better for those shorter trips and city driving. So if you want to talk more and help figure out which needs you need to hit and what truck is better for you, give us a shout down here at Redwater Dodge, 780-942-3629.